In this video, our Bitcoin technical analysis has played out exactly as predicted, but the question is, are we going to see 100k Bitcoin or is this the end of this bullish run? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to the Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, 'di ba, sa previous analysis natin, well, actually, binanggit natin sa previous video natin, was we were seeing a falling wedge. And traditionally, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern to the upside. And usually, ang magkakaroon dyan is yung breakout dito. And if wala siyang volume, ang dapat iaabangan natin is magkaroon siya muna ng one last drop to the support area, or actually the previous resistance area is now going to act as a support area. Then only then na we are going to see a pump if nagkaroon siya ng volume doon, which what we mentioned sa previous video. And take a look at that, guys. We saw that movement playing out exactly after seeing that volume. But right now, the question is, are we going to see a continuous movement to the upside, or ito na ba yung end ng pump nitong Bitcoin? But let's also discuss yung pinag-usapan natin targets dito sa previous Bitcoin movement. So, 'di ba? Sabi ko dito, ang unang target natin is the 88,000. The next target would be the 95,000 US dollars. Then the final target is going to be a 100,000 US dollars or 103,000 to be exact. But for me, ang pinakang crucial dito is we have to monitor kung ano ba yung mga nangyayaring indicators along the way, and that is this RSI. So, on top of this falling wedge, meron din kasi tayo na nag-form na bullish divergence in the daily time frame. That's why we were mentioning a incoming bullish reversal. Now, if you're going to zoom in the 4-hour time frame, if you're going to look closely, we have started forming somewhat of a bearish divergence wherein the price is increasing while the RSI is weakening. So, this is traditionally a sign of a bearish reversal naman, or a bearish consolidation, or somewhat a consolidation na nga dito. So in this case, if yung tanong natin is magko-continue pa siya to the upside, looking at the smaller time frames, it looks like na it's going to consolidate for the time being dito. And if magkaroon siya ng panibagong pattern, then of course we're going to give an update, or if may panibagong indicators. But for now, it's starting to form somewhat of a bearish divergence. So in this case, I don't think na we are going to see a continuous movement for the next few days. However, in the daily time frame, you can see na it's actually, it's not overbought. So, it's indicating na pwede pa siya umakit ng konti na lang actually. But in that case, if ganun yung mangyari, if let's say akit pa siya ng onti, ang pwede mangyaring scenario dyan is magkakaroon siya ng one last push to the upside. At the same time, the RSI is decreasing, or pababa yung RSI sa 4-hour time frame. So, pwede siya umakit pa dito. At the same time, the RSI is continuously declining. So, in that case, that could be a confirmation ng bearish divergence. So, in this case, I don't think na we have a good swing tradable opportunity na nga dito. But, take note, if you want to trade yung mga 4-hour time frame, then of course, you could actually take in a short position dito. You can open a short position dito and then just target around the 92,000 US dollars. So, you can open a trade dito na maliit, let's say a 20x leverage na $10, ganun, pwede na yun, or $20, $50, small trades lang, and then just target around this support area lang, kasi it's look like na it's going to form a consolidation na nga dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, that is what I am monitoring. And that last time, guys, the moment na nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito kay Bitcoin, binanggit ko siya actually sa Instagram channel ko, which is you can find in the description down below. So if you don't want to miss yung mga next updates ko na nag-open ako ng trade, check out my Instagram channel. You can find that, guys, in the description down below. Subscribe to that channel as well as follow my Instagram na din all together. But yeah, yun yung nakikita nating analysis natin dito. And if you want to take advantage of this next trade kay Bitcoin, make sure to trade this, guys, kay Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, mas mura yata Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn this analysis, yung mga iba't ibang indicators na ginamit ko dito, you can check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. So yeah, right now, I don't think that we're going to see a continuous movement. I think we're going to see a consolidation. However, this consolidation can be a good swing tradable opportunity for you for the short term if you want to open a short position dito just to target around the 92,000 and just to play between the 92 and 94,000. You can open a short sa 92, then open a long back to 94. Ganun lang, pabalik-balik lang muna for the time being kasi I don't think na we're going to see a big movement within the next few days. But yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.